When installing the hose winder by Groves Incorporated, please be sure you have 2 people on the job for safety purposes. To install the HW-1, you're going to need a set of hex wrenches, a socket wrench and set, a Phillips head screwdriver, an 11/16 wrench, and a 3/4 wrench. Start by having one person take the body of the HW-1 and hold it against the desired product compatible with it. The HW-1 is also compatible with any 2.5-inch square post. Then have the second person insert the bolts, washers, locking washers, then nuts to the other side of the HW-1. Be sure everything is very tight and secure so it can withstand the weight of winding hoses. Next, you will need to grab the pre-assembled handle and slide it through the body of the HW-1. Be sure the handle is on the opposite side of the hose threading. You can now use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screw at the end of the handle. Grab the male guide blade and slide it onto the other side of the now attached handle. When sliding it to the handle's rail, be sure the flat part lines up with the screws, as shown. Then tighten both screws with your hex wrench. Next, grab the female guide blade and fit it onto the rail with the elevated hole going towards the body of the HW-1. Your hose winder is now ready for use. To learn how to use the hose winder, please watch our HW-1 demonstration video. If you have further questions, please call us at 1-800-991-2120.